Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me on a Thursday edition of Coffee with Sleeping Giants. I'm Bill Ward. I got my coffee, and I hope you have your morning beverage of choice as well. I'm going to take you into a lucrative journey of casual investing. The stock, or actually the crypto this morning, we'll be discussing, in my opinion, is destined for potential gains. There's no way is sure when, and I am not a professional broker or finance advisor, but this is just my opinion. Now let's take a look at what we got. Before we get into the crypto that I want to discuss, I want to take a look at Doge. It's been very hot this week, actually last couple of weeks, but it's just been on fire lately, and I think there might be a little bit of a misconception on where you should go if you haven't traded crypto for a long time. I just want to go through some analysis on Doge first before we discuss what I think is a sleeping giant. Actually has already done pretty well, the one that I want to discuss, but people have been blinded by the lights of Doge, so I kind of want to bring it back a couple steps. eToro accepts Doge now, just out of sheer fear of losing customers, probably to Robinhood, because Robinhood's free trading. And eToro didn't carry Doge, and now they do. That's how much light has been brought to Dogecoin. Doge is pumping due to rumors of businesses accepting them, pumping because Elon may say on Saturday Night Live he may mention it, which I'm pretty sure it's confirmed he's going to. He says what he wants to say anyway, so he's going to do that. He's going to talk about his business. He's going to talk about Doge, and I feel like Doge has been on fire. It was going to be regardless of what Elon says. It's the hype up to Saturday Night Live, and there's many other things that have been getting Doge rolling because there's a lot of interest in it. Well, Elon's going to say it'll raise it temporarily, but I don't think it's going to go to the moon based on what he says and stays there. So that doesn't seem like a very safe investment to me, especially if you got in a little bit later. If you got in at 30 something cents, fine. You got in at 60 cents, it skyrockets with what Elon says, and then in a week later it goes down to 30 cents or something. That might not happen, and plus I think the scenario is it may raise to probably about 3 one day and stays stable, but once again, that's my opinion. But people are going to go crazy in the meantime, seeing it go up, seeing it go down, especially if they're early investors and never really dealt with crypto. My suggestion, as opposed to Doge, if you're going to invest, I say place your money more like on Ethereum. A little backstory. Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum. There was actually a hack that in their blockchain that actually took millions in funds. During the recovery process, the new Ethereum was born, but it was just named Ethereum, and the old one ended up turning into Ethereum Classic. So that was actually called what they call a hard fork. They actually had to do a split to protect the system and separate the two, go in and find what they needed to find. It's a little bit more in depth, and I actually don't know a whole lot about it, but I know what they performed was a split. They did what they had to do to recover. Ethereum Classic was born, and then regular Ethereum was the new Ethereum. Anyways, let's take a look at the charts. I think that Ethereum Classic is not overpriced right now. This is an opportunity to get in and let Ethereum Classic ride on the coattails of its big brother's rumors, the bigger cryptocurrency. It might rocket to Bitcoin popularity. This is just in my opinion, but I see upwards of an 18% return within over a month. Feel like this is a buy and hold forever, though. This is my advice to casual investors, but I do a lot of buying and holding. If you buy multiple shares, you can split your coins and cash in some later. So I say if you can afford one regular Ethereum, maybe put some on Ethereum Classic first. Uh, Take the earnings, get a share or two of regular Ethereum also, later on. If you have some money to put towards crypto, try 25% into play with Doge and put the rest in Ethereum Classic. This may be the last chance in a while to capitalize on a sleeping giant. Doge will eventually do okay after the hype disappeared and levels out, but Ethereum Classic, I feel, is a way better investment in the long run. A little bit more stable, even though crypto itself is very volatile. Doge is just on end right now. It's just extreme. It's on fire. It's crazy. So I feel like maybe Ethereum Classic is a better investment in the long run. Uh, it hit its all-time high this week and has outperformed the ever so popular Dogecoin anyways. So it's going to be a buy today, and I expect it to rocket to Mars by the end of the week. All Ethereum related businesses in this month has turned heads in crypto. In the crypto market with NFTs, it has really made Ethereum just boom. Many significant trades have been going down with people selling Bitcoin and other crypto all in or fractionally and pushed into regular Ethereum and the very affordable, in my opinion, Ethereum Classic. Don't miss your chance to get in there. Ethereum Classic is a sleeping giant, so all I can say is good luck. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video.